Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust or program the opening angle of the tailgate of a Ford Kuga from 2015, so MK2. I'm going to try a simple method, not sure if it works, but let's see. We want to limit it because there's this bar in here. From time to time clothes get hanged in here to dry, especially in winter, so this might hit it, so obviously we don't want that. Basically press on this, it will start to open, and be ready to press the button when you get to the level that you want. And this is more or less it, that's the max. And now try to hold the button for minimum 5 seconds until you hear a beep. Did you hear that beep? In theory, let me try again, maybe you can hear it and I will shut up. So in theory, now it's programmed, so there's no ignition on in the car or anything like that. I just opened it and stopped it at the level I wanted by pressing this quickly, and then hold this for minimum 5 seconds until you hear the beep, then release. And in theory now you can close it and it will not open more than that, but we'll see that in a moment. So it's closed. Now open it, but I will still keep my hand close to it just in case I see something. I will not let it go higher. Nope, no need. It stopped exactly where I did the programming. So yeah, that's about it. This is how you program your height level. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And really strong wind around here. Yeah, bye.